religion and secularism. So first, what is religion? Religion is an organized collection of belief, culture system, and worldview that relates humanity to an order of existence. So basically, it is what we believe or what we desire to God. So there are some examples of religions. So first, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Judaism. So what is secularism? So secularism is a view or political principle that separates religion from other realms of human existence, often putting greater emphasis on non-religious aspect of human lives. Or basically, it is just separating the religious belief from political realm. So what causes of secularism? So first, opposition by Catholic Church. Second, Catholic versus Protestants. Third year war 1618 to 1648. And last, democracy, globalization, modernization, and technology.
Religion and secularism in international business. Religion influence shape cultural norms, ethics, and consumer behavior. Example, halal products and Muslim markets, or minimalism in Buddhist religion. Secularism promotes market-driven economies and shapes regulation based on universal principles rather than religions. Trade impact. Shared religious values build trust in trade, while awareness of religious holidays and customs ensures smooth operation. Religion and secularism play important roles in international business. Religion influences local customs and traditions. For example, business may offer halal products in Muslim market or tailor their products to Buddhist value of simple quality. Secularism promotes market-driven economies and regulation-based universal principles. Understanding the role of religions and secularism, it is very successful international trade as shared religious values can build trust between business partners by considering these factors. Businesses can travel cultural differences and succeed in global market.
So next is, how does an organization enter an overseas market? A mode of entry into an international market is a channel which your organization employs to gain entry to a new international market. Some common strategies to be used is exporting, licensing international agents, etc. Consider the stages of international licensing, which includes franchising, involves the organization, providing branding, concepts, expertise, and in fact, most facets that are franchisor and third-party contracts are major strategies to build that large plans. Next is, let's define what is agent and distributors. Agents are often an early step into international marketing. Put simply, agents are individuals or organizations that are contracted to your business and markets your behalf in a particular country. Distributors are similar to agents, with the main difference that the distributors take ownership of the goods. In short, agents are selling goods, but they don't own the goods. Distributors, they sell to their seller to make a profit.
Strategic alliances and joint ventures. The strategic alliances is a term that describes a whole series of different relationships between companies that market internationally. For example, Coca-Cola and McDonald's partnership to offer Coca-Cola beverages exclusively at McDonald's restaurant worldwide. Waste management and UPS partnership to reduce waste and increase recycling rates and UPS supply chain. Strategic alliances are agreements between two or more independent companies to cooperate on a specific project or initiative that benefits all parties involved. Joint ventures tend to be equally basically a new company is set up with parties owning a promotion of the new business. For example, Coca-Cola and Nestle joint venture to develop and market ready-to-drink
and beverages, resulting in the creation of Coca-Cola, Nestle Refreshments. Veolia and Toyota joint ventures to develop and operate waste-to-energy facilities in Japan. The JV operates as an independent entity with shared ownership, shared profits and losses, and shared governance.
And this is the sources that we use. First, religion and internal trade. Second, secularism and religion free. And here, that's all. Thank you.